Okay, this is what we do in grading, and this is what you need to do when you're getting ready to submit your exam, because you've missed these, and this is this is critical information. What you want to do is make sure that your headlines and your text are consistent in size. So the easiest way to do that is to click in the middle of it, and what you can do is you can go up here and see that's Algerian 36, and then click here, and it's Verdana 23. Go to the next one. Algerian, 33. It should be the same as all the other slides. And here we go, 20. Now there's two things wrong here. One is, if you look at this slide, the Verdana font size is 23. Well, there's a problem with that one as well. And then if you look here, it's Verdana 20. Okay, here's the problem with these two slides. Number one, they're not the same. And that's critical. So you're going to get dinged, which means you're going to get points taken off because they are not the same size. So you get points taken off for consistency. The other problem is that the text is not 24 point. And when you're working on a PowerPoint presentation, the smallest you can get is 24 point. So if you look here, you've got Verdana 20. Let's go here. Verdana is 23, still not 24. Let's go to the third one, and we're back to the size 36 headline. Then if you click over here, you're down to 20 point font. Now let's go to the very last one, and now we're back to 33, and on the text we are back at 21. So pick a size and stick with it. I mean, that's the most important thing. So you have to have the, the least common denominator, the largest that you can get it. The other problem that I'm going to go ahead and present to you, since I'm doing this little video, is that if you look at this graphic, the text and the graphic are lined up, and if you look, you'll see the same thing. This one is a little bit off, but you would get credit for it. You might want to move it up just a little bit, but I don't think we'd count off points because it's really hard to get it exactly. Then you look down at this one, and again they're lined up if you look at that. And then you get down to this one, and they're not lined up. And so you would get points taken off just because on this one slide it wasn't aligned. Now this is a particularly difficult graphic because it's small anyway, and it is more of a horizontal graphic than a square or a vertical like the other. So what I would do in that case is I would go ahead and move this down a little bit and make this just a tad bit as big as you can get in there to make it more balanced. Now what that's going to do is it's going to decrease the font size down to 19, but you don't need these extra lines in here. You can get rid of these extra lines and move the font size up to 24. Got it? Okay, you're set to go.